Dito masarap mag-dessert after nyo mag-food trip sa Charlie Wonton. Located lang to sa Caltex Gas Station, General Calentong. I don't think originally to from Mandaluyong, marami pa silang branches sa iba. Pero if nagmamandaluyong food trip ka at galing ka sa Charlie Wonton, walking distance lang ito. This is Monday Australian yogurt. Love the selection of toppings, kinakain ko lahat. Ito yung mga sauces nila, not in the photo pero meron din silang bestseller na hazelnut. I got a perfect cup, 150 for 12 ounce frozen yogurt, 2 crunches, 1 fruit, and 1 sauce. The combination that I chose are crushed Biscoff, sliced almonds, strawberries, and of course my favorite Biscoff sauce. This is not sponsored pero ang generous nila maglagay. Yung lasa nito is creamy and tangy. If i-compare natin sa tanginess ng Kumi Australian yogurt, mas maasim yung Kumi. And this is a little bit creamier than Yao Yao. Mas ice cream-like yung texture nito. Nasarapan ako sa kanya. Very refreshing. Okay yung quality ng fruit na na-try ko. Generous yung serving. Sana mas marami pang branches sa Manila. Kayo, nakapag Monday na ba kayo?